Hello guys, how are you? Okay, this time I was sharing the domain name information you can check. You know, right? This is a famous domain name everybody know. Okay, so the domain name information, how to check all these details information, the nslookup command just check the IP address of the domain. For example, you want to check the google.com, right? So you can see here there is some IP address, you can check from here, right? This is all this IP address for the related with the googles. Okay, but this time I don't want to share this IP address how you get it, but I want to share how to check this google.com informations. Okay, just clear the screen. I want to check the domain name, the google.com. What is the company name? What is the locations? What is the postal code? What is the phone number, email address? Everything you want to check, right? So you can go and check using the command who is. Okay, then you have to type the google.com. So this command will be retrieve the information from WHOIS database, then update you from the command line. Okay, just go and check here. So the domain name is the google.com. Okay, there is the register ID number. So this register ID number is a unique, so all this domain name have the unique ID number. Okay, you go and check what is the domain ID number. Okay, there is the WHOIS database. So the Google is using this third party company to run this the domain service and protect the domain. Later we will go and check what is this markmonitor.com company. Okay, this is the company name. Google is not using their own service, they have give the other vendors company to protect the google.com, or maybe running the google.com domain service. Okay, so this is the updated information. Updated is 2019, and then creating station 1997, and the expiry date is the 2028. So yeah, they a lot of another a few years they can stay. After that they will extend the some more years lah. Okay, so this is the INE number. So what is the INE number? So this INE number, this register INE number, this company INE number. So which means if you want to give the service to company, right, some other third party company, you need to check whether this company is the legal or illegal company or accredited. So we can go and check the company name. This mark monitor is the IND ID number is 292. Okay, let's go and check. There is a mark monitor. This ID number, which website you have to get? INE.org. You go and check INE.org. You can find on the Google also. So you can check this number. Mark monitor is there 292, and then this one is created. So which means it's not terminated company, it's a really legit company. You can go and check from the INE website. Okay, just for your information, you can go and check some other company also. Okay, later we will go and check another company. Okay, so go back again the terminal. So this is the INE number. Okay, this is here email and anything this domain related abuses scam out, right? You need to, sorry, yeah, so I need to do something. Okay, so this is the email address. Okay, this is the domaining server. So this is the domain server. They have only 4 domaining server. Okay, so let's go down and check all informations that you already know. But the thing is, Google not sharing much information. Google only share their organization is a Google LLC. Okay, let's go and check the IAN, whether Google LLC has the IAN in ID or not. Okay, let's go and check Google. Okay, Google also had the INE number 895. This is a unique number, it's created. Okay, so Google also have the INE number. Okay, INE is one of the non-profit organization, so they are managing the uh this the ID number or this IP address and domaining service to the, actually they are the non-profit organization. They are registered for your ID number for your domaining. Okay, so yeah, they have, if you want to work the providing the domaining service or something like that, you have to agreement with the INE. Okay, you have to register at the IANA. Okay, so let's go back again. So their state is the CA, California, right? This is countries from US, so which means they are the US based company. They are running on their California, the offices, I think the headquarter. Okay, so okay, this is all this information. They didn't share all this postal code, email address, what is the city, just only there is a state, right? So the state and country. Okay, okay, there is no postal code, there is no email address, what is the fax number, all these things they are hiding, or maybe they don't want to provide this information, or because of the privacy matter. I'm not really sure, but the Google is only sharing just a few informations only. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the Googles. Okay, let's go and check the another domain, some other interesting. You know the TikTok, right? So TikTok is, is, right? It's everybody's dancing because of the TikTok, right? So let's go and check whether TikTok company is the legit company, or what they are really, running the back end, their information, whether they are reverse disclose, or where they are really, sharing the information. Just go and check first. Okay, so finally we can manage to retrieve the information from the WHOIS server. So this time they have their another ID number. This is a unique ID number. They are sharing their domain ID, and then they are using this company domain service to use their tiktok.com. Okay, this is, you can go and check what is again the.net. Okay, so let's go and check first what is Gandhi.net. Just now the company, right? You saw, right, 281, the Mac Monitor, is it? You remember, right? This is Google using one of the domain company, Mac Monitor. Okay, just now 292, right? This Mac Monitor company. Just now Google is using this company domain service. Let's go and check whether this company is, what types of service they are providing. Okay, Mac Monitor. Okay, so Mac Monitor is a domain security company. They are domain management solution, domain security company. Okay, one of the American software company founded on 1999. Okay, so I think the company is quite famous company, or maybe their service really good. That's why the big company are using their service. So yeah, they are the San Francisco, California headquarter. They founded on 199. They employ 520. Let's go and check the Wikipedia. So I realized that they are company not only for the domain service providing, they also, protecting the corporate brand from the internet counterfeiting, fraud, piracy, and cyber squatting. All these things they are protecting. I think their service are really good. That's why the Googles pay the money to protect their domain. Okay, so just for your information, let's go back again. So they are the TikTok is using the Candy.net. Okay, let's go and see what is the Candy.net company. Okay, just go and see first. Copy. Oh, let's go and see. Oh, sorry. Okay, Candy.net. Okay, just Candy.net is there, one of the another domain name company. I think this is not the US based company. This is another. Let's go and see what is the domain this company is doing. Let's see the wiki page. Okay, Gandhi. So Gandhi Donna is Gandhi's SAS. Actual name is the one of the France-based company. They are 123 years ago. This headquarters is a France. So this is not the US-based company. They are the France-based company. Okay, so the TikTok using their domain service too, domain service from the Gandhi.net. Okay, so they are the brand of the France-based company. More detailed information you can go and check yourself. Okay, just go back again. So let's see whether there is a valid INE number or not. Gandhi.net. Let's go and see. GANDI Gandhi .net. Okay, this is the ID number is a Gandhi SAS, and then this also a created not terminated. The ID number is 81. Okay, their website information also can see there. The ID number is 81. Okay, so this is a correct and legit company to provide the DNS service. Okay, let's go and see adding other the interesting information or not. So this is their name server, DNS and sign. So there is no mesh information. Okay, they also, you go and check for there is a name, right? Name also the register name. They say that because of the privacy matter, they don't want to share the register name. Organization only they are sharing. This is the TikTok Ltd, limited company, something like that, is it? So there is no any stay, there is no city information, all this information they are how to say that, they don't want to disclose. They see that this is a privacy matter. I don't really think so. This is not the privacy. You can share where's from state, which is a country, right? This they really don't want to share. Okay, but there is a some interesting thing they are sharing there, country name. So I'm really curious. I go and check on the what is the country of the KY. Okay, I'm really curious. Okay, so go and check there. What is the country KY? And then amazingly, KY is one of the Cayman Island. Cayman Island, the British overseas territory. Okay, so one is the Western Caribbean Sea. So how come the company is using this country name? I'm really curious why they are using this. Actually, everybody know, right? TikTok is the China's big company. They should put the countries the China, right? Why they are doing that? The KY is is the Cayman Island. I'm not really sure. The KY is the Cayman Island, right? Based on the Google, actually. Okay, the country code KY is the Cayman Island. I don't know if I'm something wrong. Please write on the comment. Okay, we everybody want to know the information. That's why I'm not knowing everything details. Okay, so country KY is I think is that I'm right. I think they are using this country, Cayman Island country name for their domain information. This is a country KY, but the rest of the information not sharing, phone number, extension, everything you cannot see here. All this, most of the Chinese community, they don't want to share anything. They want to know the other information. They don't want to share their information. This is really funny things about their way of working. Okay. Okay, this is all this information here. Okay, there is nothing much information you can see from the TikTok domain. Okay, let's go and check the Facebook, whether Facebook is sharing the useful information or not. Who is facebook.com? Okay, let's wait a few seconds and then you will get the information. Okay, there is the Facebook domain name facebook.com, and then there is a register ID number, and then Facebook is using another the domain service provider. Okay, I don't want to see what is this company is doing. You can go check yourself. Okay, so this is their your address, and then but I interesting whether this company is the valid or not. This ID number is what, 3237. Let's go and see. 3237 is this company name or not. 3237. Okay, this is the company name. Okay, this company also created, it's not terminated, it's a valid company. Okay, one of the domain company they are using, buying the Facebooks are using that company service. Okay, so there is no mesh information. They only also have their only full domain server, DNS server. Okay, so amazingly, the Facebook is sharing all their information. They don't want to hiding the information, or they don't know they need to hide the information. I'm not really sure. I think obviously they don't want to hide the information. They want to share. It doesn't matter whether there's a privacy or not. Okay, so good thing about this, we can learn something like that. We are not the bad guy. We just want to get the knowledge. That's why we are checking their information. That's all. Okay, so the Facebook is the domaining is here, and then all this thing INE number. So you go down, then but they are hiding this it register and do register and not just put the some other commanding domain admin. Okay, so organization name is Meter. They recently they have changed the company name to Meter, right? Not Facebook. anymore. So there's a meter platform, and then street is on the 160 below rack. Menlo Park is a C. Also, these are from California, but the location is a different location. The Google is also the CE, right? You remember, right? This California based, but Google is not sharing the CD. Okay, but that Facebook is sharing their CD, they're sharing their state, and the country is the US based company, and sharing their postal code number and the phone number. So everything they are sharing, is really good about it. I don't know whether they forgot to, or maybe they don't think that there is any issue with that sharing those information. Okay, so yes, so their email address is here. You can use this email address to send to don't send. Okay, just want to know that they are using the fe.com domain to using the email. Okay, so this is your organization is meter platform here, all this information here, the domain, email address, the phone number. If you are from US, I think you can call this number, right? Don't call. I'm just kidding. Okay, so good thing about it is not they are not hiding any information. Everything they are sharing, you know they share what is their Facebook. We have the ID number, we have phone number, we have the domain address, we have the sorry, the fax number. I think fax number also have, right? Or fax number, they are not sharing the fax number. Okay, there is no fax number. Phone extension number, no here. Okay, they are not sharing the fax number. Okay, but the rest of the information they also are sharing on the WHOIS database. Okay, so this is about the Facebook thing. Okay, last one we will check on the one of the cloud famous provider, also website, sorry, the e-commerce website, right? Amazon.com is quite famous, and then their technologies, their cloud technologies also really famous, and most of the users are using their service on the internet. So the name is the Amazon.com. So one of the richest guy there. You remember his name? Okay, you can find on the internet. Okay, so everything is here. Jeff Bezos. Okay, so yeah, go and check what is their information, whether they are sharing or whether they are hiding. Okay, so domain name is there, Amazon.com, but their domain ID is here, and then you realize this name. So the Googles and the Amazon are using the same domain service providers. They are using the same domain service provider, Mark Monitor, one of the US based company. Okay, so they are using the same. This is their date, this is creation date, this is expiration date, register. The IND number is 292. Okay, so let's go and check. Just we already checked, right? There is IND number is valid. Okay, so amazingly, their DNS server is 6 DNS server, but the rest of the Facebook, Google's, and then the TikTok, right? Also only they have the 4 DNS server, but the Amazon.com has the 6 DNS server. Okay, so all this front information is here. So domain name is here, and then their domain ID number, all this information is the same as the Apple one, Apple information, but now here's a interesting information. Register ID, there is no register ID number. Okay, and the register name is the Amazon Legal Department. The organization is the Amazon Technologies, or this the long name is Amazon Technologies. Okay, I just know only the Amazon. Okay, but street name is PO Box number. The city is the Reno, Nevada. Is from the Nevada state, not from California base. They are from the CD Reno. State is the Nevada, and the postal code is here. They are also the US based company. Then phone number, extension is not here. That they sharing the fax number. Okay, maybe they need to receive the same fax or information. I'm not sure. Their Facebook is not sharing the fax number, or maybe they are not using the fax. Okay, but the Amazon.com stays sharing their fax number, their phone number. They are also sharing their email address is Amazon.com, postmaster Amazon.com. Okay, so yeah, they also sharing all the details information. Beautiful, right? Okay, so same, they are the different state from the Facebook and the Google. They are the Nevada based. Okay, so they are also the US based company. Okay, so nothing much information. Okay, so for this video clip, I only shared how to check the detailed domain information of the company informations, all this register email address, what company domaining they are using, so you can go and check rest of the company. Maybe that you can check the Twitter, you can check the Tesla, maybe you can check the yahoo.com. So all these things you can go and check yourself. Really interesting, right? Okay, thank you so much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like, write something. Okay, I need to improve my sharing. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.